Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Aceto Tondo Temprato da 12 mm. La staffa. L'alloggiamento e la parte portanti del meccanismo di bloccaggio sono realizzati in acciaio temprato speciale. Il design speciale e moderno del rivestimento del corpo della serratura consente una maneggevolezza ottimale. Cilindro di chiusura di alta qualità per un'elevata protezione di manomissioni. Ad esempio picking. Funzione di allarmi con almeno 100 decibels per 15 secondi. Poi riattivazione automatica. Rilevamento di precisione 3D. Rileva vibrazioni e movimenti più piccoli e attiva l'allarme. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. SmartX locking system with Bluetooth function, high quality. Keyless locking system offers the most user-friendly operation. Alarm function at least 100 decibels for 15 seconds. Then automatically resonate. App connection. Corresponding ABUS app, iOS or Android, is paired with the lock via keycard. Location storage from the last place of the bike. USB-C connection for charging the battery. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. New. See more product details. 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 Detailed. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Lock open black lens bracket. Smart and convenient close black lens bracket. Bluetooth bike lock. No combos, easy to connect between the lock and the phone. Over Bluetooth, apps work for both iOS and Android. Make sure the screws for the battery cover are tightened and pressing lock button before pairing with the phone. No worry about key lost anymore. If you bought our old version a couple of years ago with NALARK app, please download the SLBLOCK app to your new phone. Speaker open black lens bracket. Alarm and anti-theft close black lens bracket. Vibration. Breakage. Disassembly and cable clipping triggers alarm at 110 decibels to deter thieves or burglary. Vibration alarm will not work when the owner's phone is connected to the device. Heavy-duty cable lock with alarm for bike, electric vehicles, motorcycle, snowboard etc. with anti-theft shield, open black lens bracket, robust and anti-cutting closed black lens bracket, Nalark bike lock cable material. 7 braided steel. Each is made of 19 braided steel. Combined with rust protective vinyl, increase cut resistance for a long time use. Braided cable is 0.4 inches in diameter and 47 inches in length, works for mullet pull bikes locking. Motorcycle wheels, stroller wheels, gate, farms, lawn mowers, fences, sports equipment, toolboxes, or various safety applications. A perfect bike locks heavy-duty anti-theft and motorcycle locks heavy-duty anti-theft. Cloud with rain, open black lens bracket, waterproof certificate, close black lens bracket, waterproof rating IP44. Splash resistant. Certified and operates in temperatures between -14 to 140 Fahrenheit. Waterproof anti-theft bike lock with alarm. Nalark Bluetooth cable lock also can be used as Muton bicycle lock, motorcycle alarm system, anti-theft, e-bike lock, electric scooter locks anti-theft, stroller lock anti-theft, bicycle alarm, skateboard lock. Battery open black lens bracket, longevity close black lens bracket 3 AAA. Batteries are required which lasts for 5 months use. Opened twice daily. Low battery indicator in the app will warn you low battery when power is less than 20%. See more product details.